Hi, I'm Kelly Huxley-Roberts, Wales Policy and Partnerships Manager at Lloyds Bank Foundation, and I'm really excited that this year we've partnered with Shelter Cymru to put on the People and Homes Conference. We've chosen to sponsor it this year first and foremost because we believe that everybody in Wales deserves to have a good home. And for over 40 years now, the foundation has funded hundreds of charities all across Wales, and around half of our charity partners in any given year will directly or indirectly support people affected by the housing and homelessness crises. So it's something we're really passionate about, and we want to support efforts in this space. So as partners, we're particularly aligned because we believe that by working together across sectors, collaboratively, and pooling our knowledge and resources, we'll stand a much better chance of ending these crises.